The BabyBuddha Breast Pump 2.0 delivers hospital-level suction in a very compact body, so it actually helps maintain milk supply without tying you to a wall outlet. Its three distinct modes, including a gentle stimulation option and many suction levels, make it easy to fine-tune settings for comfort on sensitive days. The soft flanges and massage-style inserts feel noticeably kinder on sore nipples while still moving milk efficiently during longer sessions. Because the pump is lightweight, quiet, and can be worn hands-free with collection cups, it works well for discreet pumping at work, during travel, or around the house. The included kit covers the essentials with multiple flange sizes, valves, diaphragms, bottles, tubing, charger, and a travel tote, so most people can start pumping immediately without extra purchases. Overall, it functions as a strong primary pump that is portable enough to replace a bulky home unit, giving breastfeeding parents more flexibility without sacrificing performance.